All right, guys, Joel, Motors and Mischief. We are working on this 2014 Ford Focus manual. I want to quick show you guys how to just connect the clutch line in case you were pulling the transmission or the engine like we had to. And this is actually already disconnected, but I'm just going to show you real fast. So this, you will see yours. This goes right there. And this little guy clips in right there. So when you're pulling him out, you'll see him sitting, actually I'll go ahead and put him in. So he sits right there. So you just pull that out and then this whole thing slips out. Now to bleed this thing, you pull the nipple, this dust cover comes off of right there. And then you just turn this to bleed it. You have somebody help you. They push down on the clutch. You open this, fluid spurts out, you close it, they open it. Keep doing that over and over and over again until it's bled. So that's your 2-minute tutorial on how to disconnect that clutch line and how to bleed the clutch. It's actually really simple, which is very unlike the rest of the stuff we've been doing on this car. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Stick around as long as you're here. Check out some of our other videos. All right, peace.